Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keira, Island Sewcialist on Instagram, and my blog is islandsewcialist.com. So today is the final day of the hashtag sewmanpants challenge. I'm going to show you guys my final look. So remember, in my plans video, I showed you guys a navy blue cotton with white anchors on it. Ta-da! I made hubby's TNT button-up shirt pattern, which is M6044 if you don't know by now. I've mentioned this pattern a ton of times on my channel before. And this one, I've perfected the fit so that from now on, I just have to cut and go with no alterations. If you watched the video where I showed the elephant version for the Minerva Crafts blog, you'll know that I took in the waist seam a little bit too much and it couldn't button and I had to take it out. This was after serging, so you could imagine the stress that I had to go through. So on this one, I adjusted the paper pattern just right. I graded to a small in the waist and then back out to medium. The good thing about this fabric, I'm going to come up close and show you, is that the wrong side is solid navy and the right side has the anchors. So just like I did for the elephant version, I did the contrast button band and cuffs with the solid, and everything else is from the anchors. The snaps are ring snaps. I added a yoke to the back, and that's it. Pretty basic, pretty simple. I don't think I will ever try another button-up pattern because this just works for him. The fit is on point. He likes the length a lot. This time I got my pocket super neat. And my button bands as well. So now I'm gonna let hubby try it on to model for you guys as usual. Here comes you guys' favorite model in the entire world. Make your entrance.
That's enough? Okay. So, I made this shirt, guys. Once again, it was a beautiful made by me. Alright, let's not even pretend. Go.
So this is what the shirt looks like on. Perfect fit, perfect length. Love this fabric, and I love the fact that the wrong side is what I was able to use for the contrast. I didn't have to use two separate fabrics. So I initially wanted to do long sleeve, but I only had 1.5 yards of fabric. And I literally used it down to like a few inches of scraps. So I could only get short sleeve out of it. But I like the short sleeve because I was able to do the contrast cuffs. So yeah, and you can't even see the pocket. It kind of just blends in. And then on the back, in real life, like you actually can't even see the yoke. It's lined up perfectly. And I didn't even do pattern matching. It just happened. So you really can't tell that a yoke is there.
Wait, so you don't want to see the yoke? I thought you'd want to see
You want to see the yoke, but...
So therefore,
but I also like that it was pattern matched.
It didn't work out perfectly.
It worked out perfectly. I don't really have anything else to say.
Well, I have a lot to say. So you see this length?
They probably can't.
This length? Oh. You see this length? But anyway, this length is good. Do you realize that every time you do a review for video, my comment is be length? So the length, once again, is my favorite thing. It is not too short. The other one that you did, which is not in here, it was a little bit too short.
Which one?
No, the elephant.
That's because the elephant was too small here. So what was happening is this. Look, if I pull hair tight.
Stop exposing me.
If the waist is pulled tight, then the bottom button, because it can't button down at the widest part of you, which is the hip, it was like this, pulling up. But it's the exact same length. I didn't make any adjustments to the length, only to the width. and the width affected the length. So between this one and the elephant one, which one is your favorite?
The elephant one?
I knew that.
Duh. It has elephants. And
Also,
it's green.
guys, he actually didn't like this fabric.
Nope.
But he was walking through the fabric store. So I took him shopping to get fabric for sewmanpants. And he walked through the entire fabric store and was like, nope, 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 nope. Knows everything. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to just pick up this anchor fabric and that is what it is. Now that it's made, he was like, there's a top shirt.
First of all, it's a top shirt not because of the fabric, but because of the fit, the contrast thing.
But the fabric looks nice.
What?
You're a seaman and it has on anchors, so.
If this was not anchors and this was just like dots, what would be the difference?
It would still look good.
Okay.
But then you're not really a fan of navy anyway.
No,
So
I don't really like navy.
and they know you like black, gray, and light black.
Black, gray, light black. You can get a little dark gray in there too.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. I don't got nothing for this review.
Me neither. Like I literally
Like,
don't have much to say.
You kill this pattern. So like you've seen this pattern so much that you ain't got nothing to review.
I guess what I would say is if you do not have this pattern in your stash,
Get it. Get
Yeah.
it. Wait, come, let me do an ad for this. Who is McCalls? McCalls, listen to me. You have done me a great favor. I can get work shirts, home shirts, bush shirts, all sorts of shirts with this one pattern.
but you notice that we only ever tried the short sleeve one. It still have long sleeve. It still have the western one to try. I was actually thinking of doing the western one for this one. With the two pockets and the flaps with the pearl snap. So next time I think we need to try the western and the long sleeve. Mix it up a bit.
What is the western?
The one with the like triangle yoke, and then on the back it is like come down in a thing. Like remember your
It's got
Levi shirt?
triangles, eh?
Remember your Levi shirt? The black and white plaid one? Exactly the same.
All I remember about my black and white plaid shirt is that it's a black and white.
And it ripped down the
shirt.
back.
Oh yes. So you're gonna make shirts that don't rip down the back.
Hello, no. If you make all my hard work go to waste.
I think it's good. It's good. Pass the stress test. Ooh. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Like, hit I gotta get this right. What is so it runs smooth? Come. tell me.
Like, comment,
Like,
subscribe.
comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget. What are we not forgetting?
I don't know.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.
We're not doing the same, but also, let me know if you guys are going to miss him because sewmanpants is over now and you probably won't see him very often.
See you guys.
Unless it's a special request from you guys. Which it won't be because he's annoying. Bye.